So here we have another package. I know what the arrows mean. I don't know what this symbol means. Let's see, just a phone number. I think this is something liquid. Super clean products. These are always good to have. So let's see what we got. This one. Let's see what is this one. This is the Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner and Degreaser. New Easy Spray Aerosol can. So this is for heavy duty stuff like brakes, grills, engines. I guess you can also try with the wheels for the brake dust. This is actually the same product in a different presentation, so I'm going to try them in a little bit. There's a lot of cars to be cleaned here. So here's the whole list of products from Super Clean: the original degreaser, foaming trigger, all-wheel cleaner, aerosol can, which is this new one, and the floor absorbent. This one we haven't tried yet. A little more information about how and what to clean. So from acid, pH neutral. So this one is the most powerful. A lot of information: indoor, outdoor, auto, marine, and all the retailers when you can get it. You also get a cool sticker with it, so nice product. So here we have this Honda CR-V. The tires are not that bad, but they're dirty, so let's spray a little bit and see what happens. You can see the grease already going down on its own, so pretty effective. I'm gonna bring a brush and some water to finish it up and see the difference. You can see how the grease starts to come out even without brushing. You can look at that now. Let's brush it a little bit anyway. Let's do the other one with spray the aerosol. So here's the other side. Should be the same. This creates a good foam. Oh wow, you can start seeing it already. How it turns kind of brown. Let it settle for a little bit. It really looks super clean. It's just not the name. Works fantastic. Oh, you can see the difference deep there where I couldn't reach. Look how much dirt and grease came out. It's really super clean. It really works. Highly recommend it. So maybe I should wash the whole car now that we are out here. Let's do that. So there you have it. The car now is super clean. So thank you for this product. I highly recommend it. Thumbs up.